here's the scoop. What you eat affects your poop. The first food on my list of poop-provoking foods would be oats. Ditch your morning bagel or refined carb bread for rolled oats or steel-cut oats, which are super rich in good heart-friendly fiber. Oats contain a powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which lowers your LDL levels and also increases your insulin response and lowers blood sugar. One serving of oats gives about 4 grams of fiber. You can have an oats chila, you could have an overnight oats, do a oats pudding, or an oats porridge. Be aware of the ready-to-eat oats that are available, the instant ones, because they're loaded with artificial sweeteners and sugars. Try and fix your own healthy oats breakfast and get in great amount of fiber for regularity in bowel movement. Next on my list would be apples. An apple a day might not necessarily keep the doctor away, but will surely make you poop every day. Apples are extremely rich in insoluble fiber. One medium apple gives about 4 grams of fiber. It contains an insoluble fiber called pectin, and it acts as a laxative. Apples can be had as is with the skin or can be baked into a healthy dessert. Yogurt is another food that is extremely rich in probiotic bacteria. Probiotics are basically healthy bacteria that aid in digestion and clearing of the gut. They basically help with gut health. So adding kefir and yogurt on a daily basis can flush your gut with good bacteria and help in cleansing the tummy. Since yogurt lacks fiber, be sure to add in antioxidant and fiber-rich berries in it and make a delicious smoothie bowl or a smoothie and drink it up. Next on my list is beans. Beans are powerhouses of fiber. About 1 serving size of beans gives you 7 grams of protein. Just about any beans, could be kidney beans, chickpeas, or black-eyed beans, commonly known as rajma or chauli. Add these in a salad, burrito bowl, or just as your daily dals and enjoy fiber benefits from it and get your gut moving. This one probably comes with no surprise. Prunes, also known as dried plums, are one of your grandma's favorite remedies for constipation, and for good reason. Prunes are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber and help with gut movement and regularity. Not a fan of eating prunes? Sip on prune juice. 5 prunes or 1 cup of prune juice both provide 3 grams of fiber. Have this and reap the benefits of a healthy gut. Flax seeds and chia seeds are tiny nutrient powerhouses. They pack not only great amount of soluble and insoluble fiber, but also omega-3 fats. They're also rich in protein. Have these on your smoothies, powder them and add them to your buttermilk or baked goods, and enjoy them on a daily basis. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and chia seeds contains about 3 grams of fiber. Now that you know that what you eat has a great impact on how and what you push out, be sure to include a wide variety of fiber-rich foods. Along with that, get enough hydration and movement on a daily basis. Keep your gut healthy and poop regularly. Thank you for watching and hope this helped you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.